Okay, let's do a little fact or fiction, lender style. Okay, if you're self-employed, sorry, no loan for you.
It's a good first question. It may feel like that sometimes. It's actually fiction,
Okay.
so it's not true. The reason it feels like that sometimes is as a lender, the number that we are forced to use as your income is actually the bottom line number. So it's the number that you report to the IRS as taxable income. And as a self-employed individual, you're typically trying to find as many expenses and as many write-downs as you can to reduce your income to reduce your tax bill. And unfortunately, that's the number at the bottom. Whatever you report to the IRS as taxable income, that's the number we use for your loan. And a lot of times it's a small number.
It's catch-22.
Yeah.
Fact or fiction, if your credit score is 760 or more, you'll get a better interest rate.
Oh, that's a good one. I would say fiction only because 740 is typically the threshold for the best interest rate. So generally anything above 740 as lenders we look at and we think of as perfect credit. It does tier down every 20 points. You're gonna have a little bit of a credit hit from that point. So 740, 720, 700, 680, and interest rates do get a little bit worse the lower the credit score gets. But for that reason, I would say 760 is fiction.
Okay, fact and fiction, sounds like.
Yes.
Fact or fiction, getting a credit card at your favorite store is a good way to save money while you're in the middle of your home purchase.
Fiction. Fiction, that's easy. Don't get a credit card in the middle of your home purchase. We will see
Any credit card.
No credit cards.
No credit cards.
Even if you attempt to get a credit card, we see it. We have systems, unfortunately, that will trigger that sort of thing. And so if you try for a credit card even, we're gonna ask you, hey, what was this? And did you get one? We have to count it if you did.
Okay, that's a fiction.
Fiction.
Hard fiction.
Fiction, don't do it.
Fact or fiction, the best way to get new furniture for your house is to buy it using 90 days same as cash because your lender won't know.
This is very, very similar idea. We will know. We will know. It's fiction. Don't do that either. If you finance furniture, we'll see the credit hit come up and we'll have to ask you what that is, what you bought, and where it came from.
This is where people get tripped up because they actually pull your credit even though you don't pay anything for 90 days.
Yeah, the bill might not be coming, but we're gonna see it. We're gonna ask you what it was. We're gonna get a copy of the transaction and we'll have to add that too. And it may break the deal for you.
Yeah. All right. Fact or fiction?
Fiction.
Good job.